Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I apologize for not uploading for a week. I get sick for the whole week and now I'm feeling better. So today I am very excited to share with you what I have received from the mail. So look what I got. It's an LED grow light. So I am excited to unbox this in front of you. Okay, so now let's unbox this. So here we get the lamp. So this is the remote control, the user manual, and let me see, what is this? So I think this is the stand. So we're going to assemble it right now. Okay, so let's start assembling this product. Seems like it's very straightforward. So this is the stand. Let me see. So this is a screw right here. You can unscrew. Let's go. Oh, look at that. So now we can tighten it right here. It's very straightforward. This is very easy to assemble. So now there is a 3 screw right here. We're just gonna loosen it, and I think this you can adjust the height. Let's see if that, oh no, too high for me. Maybe right here, and then just tighten the screw. We'll tighten that one as well, and right here. So now we have our stand. So let's see what's next. This is the lamp. Let's see. So right here, as you can see, there is a 4 lamp, and you can adjust it the way you want it. Now we're going to attach this in here, right here. Well, see, I think I should put it that way right here, because we're going to screw it right here on the top. Okay. I think it's easy for me to do this like this. There you go. Oh, like there. Or you can just do it this way. There we go. There. Now we got it. Look, very easy and simple to assemble this LED grow light. Now, we're just gonna untie the wire. There we go. So, let's see. Okay, let's adjust it. Can adjust it that way. Alright, right here I want this to go that way. Oh my goodness, I really liked it. Look at that. You can adjust it the way you want it. Oh wow! I love this product. Now let's try and turn it on. So in here you can use this control as well, or if you are somewhere far away from the lamp, you can carry the remote control with you. So now let's try the control right closer to the lamp. So in here we have the turn. We'll turn it on. Oh wow! So pretty! I like it. Nice. And you know what? You can use the timer too. See, you can put it for 4 hours. 8 hours or 12 hours, depend whatever you like. And then here you can adjust the light. You can either lower the light, see that? If you want it lower, and then if you want it more brighter, you can adjust it as well. And guess what? There's another thing right here. Let's try this one. Oh wow! You can change the color too! Look at this. Red, blue, and multicolor. I like the red. Or the blue. Oh, the blue is nice. Oh my goodness. I really like this. Oh wow. And look at this. It's very adjustable. You can adjust it wherever you want it. Look at that. This is pretty amazing. And where's the remote? Okay, we can use the remote too. Should I try the remote? What do you think? Okay, let's try the remote. Let's turn it off first. Oh my goodness, see, when you turn it off, you turn it off. So if you turn it off once, then one of the lamp will turn off. Then you do it again for the other one, and then you click it again for the other one, and then you click it again for the last one. So if you like to turn on one of this, you can do it as well. Or if you want to turn on all of them, you can do it as well. Oh my goodness, it's a very nice product. Okay, so now we're going to try the remote control. Okay, let's just peel this one right here. Here we go. So down below, there is the timing indicator light. So you can put your light on for 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, or whatever you prefer. Alright, so now let's try. So now we're a bit away from the LED grow light lamp, and I want to try the remote control. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Okay, now let's adjust the brightness of the light. So that's full. Now we can decrease the brightness. Look at that. See the difference? Here we go. And now we're going to adjust it. More brightness. Nice. Look at that. Now let's change the color. Ooh. Red. Oh, nice blue. Wow, very nice. And then you can adjust it as well. If you don't want all of them on, you can just turn on one or all of them, or only 2 of them, or just 1 of them again, or all of them. Wow. So overall, I really like this product. It's very sturdy, adjustable, and full spectrum. And the bonus part is you have the remote control. You can walk around in your house and you can turn on your grow light right in your hand. If you are interested in this product, I will leave the link below. I really highly recommend it and you will not get disappointed. My name is Anarika and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video, including the update of my new LED grow light. Bye! Oops, I forgot to say, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe, and like the grow light. It would definitely help my channel to grow. Thank you very much. Bye! I really appreciate it.